Wait a minute. I would not touch anything to open the main door. Look at the beautiful, luxurious 2-bedroom condo for a second. This condo is right next to Surrey City Hall and the SkyTrain station. The lobby is so stylish, and the home you're looking at today is a 13th floor. Isn't the kitchen so neat and beautiful? It has a built-in 30-inch refrigerator with bright interior color scheme. Let me walk you through how big the living space is. It's about 13 steps in total. It's big enough to live with 3 to 4 family members. Let me show you the built-in dining table. This is the wow point. It's going to transform. Ta-da! It can seat 8 to 10 people in total. The bathroom is luxurious in matte black. The blinds are really easy to pull down. It is touched with great details, and it's really high quality building since it's built by Bosa developer. Checkpoint from the balcony. There is a 4-story building in front of it, so the view will never be blocked. I've never seen such a big gym before. It's equipped with really expensive equipment. Oh my gosh, I want to work out right away. The outdoor swimming pool is hotel resort style, and you can also get a tan in the sun in the summer. The social lounge is a WeWork style, and it's perfect for studying or working in this spacious place. It's a rare opportunity to have this such a perfect home. The open house will be held from 2 to 4 p.m. this weekend on December 9th and 10th. Don't miss the opportunity, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.